Did you know the man who invented the calculator abandoned math for God? Blaise Pascal was solving geometry problems most adults couldn't understand when he was just 12 years old. At 19, he built the world's first mechanical calculator to help his father with taxes. He even created the probability theory by writing letters with another genius named Fermat. But everything changed on November the 23rd, 1654. Pascal had a mystical experience that lasted 2 hours. It was so powerful he wrote about it on parchment and sewed it into his coat. He carried those words against his heart until the day he died. This led him to create Pascal's Wager, a logical argument that betting on God makes the most sense, even if you're not sure. The man who mastered numbers suddenly walked away from math. He said the heart has reasons that reason cannot understand. Here's the beautiful paradox. The genius who built his life on logical certainty found his greatest truth through faith and intuition. Sometimes our deepest wisdom comes not from thinking, but from feeling.